I tried everything I could with this stock wheel cover. I tried keeping it on, taking it off, painting it, but there's no getting over it. It just sucks. Let's see how far this Frisbee disc will fly. That's about what it's good for. My alternative is this better option. So you can go from looking like this, the stock look, to this. Look, it's completely different. So you go from having 5 spokes to 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spokes and not even have to get a totally different set of rims. And don't worry, because if you like customizations like adding different color accents, these center caps are available in different colors as well. So you can get it in black, red, white, silver. Also, when you buy these wheel covers, they come with a plain center cap, so maybe you can do something else with it. Maybe you wanted to say your name or something on there, so you can go ahead and customize that. But I got the Tesla center caps because I like the white, because it's going to match what I plan to do in the future with the vehicle. I already had the white roof rack. I'm gonna have these brake calipers painted white soon, and I'm also thinking of doing an accent on the spoiler, like a white accent, put some vinyl wrap on it or something. Just like the other wheel covers, these pop on so simply. Line up the little hole where the air goes in, and that's it. That's all it takes. Look at that. With just a couple of quick steps, now I got full rim protection. No more road rash, no curb rash, no accidents. Done. I personally love how easy it is. So I think this is what these stock wheel caps are really for. You know, they're having like parking lot fun. You know, you just spin around like the little hula hoop trick. And if you're in need of some new wheel covers like I desperately was, then you're in luck, because these are on sale for the Black Friday special. So make sure you check out evbase.com. They're one of the best accessory websites for Teslas. Whether you want a body kit, whether you want some wheel covers, whether you want a different steering wheel, seat covers, roof racks, all kind of stuff. I suggest you check them out, and don't forget to use my discount code COOLWHIPS. All right, peace. These wheel covers just make this car look so much better.